Today is a special day because exactly 5 years ago I started Fit Green Mind. The little 14-year-old Maya, still going to school, not knowing anything about food blogs or videography, decided to start. So you really don't have to scroll all the way down to my first posts, they are horrible. But hey, it's better to start imperfectly than to wait perfectly. I got started because number one, I just went vegan and I was missing really easy recipes. Number two, I wanted to show my family that vegan food can taste good. And number three, I dreamt of creating my own cookbook, but at that time nobody knew me, so launching one would have been pointless. Now 5 years later and over 1,400 recipes later, we're here with over 5 million followers across all platforms and my own cookbook. But not only that, over the years I got to work with some amazing brands and people, and I got to turn my passion into my profession. Am I proud? Hell yeah. But did I ever expect to get where I'm at now? Absolutely not. So if you're passionate about something, put in the work, stay consistent. You can achieve a lot more in 5 or 10 years than you might think. Thanks for being here, and on to the next 5 years.